My viewers all over the world, I want to use this opportunity again to thank every one of you for subscribing my YouTube, for sharing my message. Thank you. You are blessed. My beloved fans, it is rather you do things with a parrot. I said it is good, more encouraging that you do things with a parrot than doing things with a pretender that pretends that he or she doesn't talk. Do things that with those that talks, because you will quickly know his or her mind. You quickly ascertain such person, you quickly ascertain his or her secret. But those pretenders, they will one day surprisingly destroy you, kill you, and finish your life. So beware and run away from pretenders. When they want to talk, they will talk more than a parrot. Be careful. I love you, fans. Continue subscribing. You are blessed.